Are you wondering how the girls are able to get their hair looking like this? I mean, you can't tell me that this is not my real hair. It is my hair. Except that there is an extension in it, which I'll be showing you in this video, where you can get the best hair extension for your liver sewing to match your type 4 hair texture. Alright guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are partnering with Curlsqueen, and in this video I'll be doing a liver sewing, and I'll briefly just show you guys my braiding pattern, which I've left some hair in front and at the center for the leave out, and then this is how the cornrows go all the way back. Let's go straight and unbox this package because I cannot wait to see what's inside. Now, opening this, I'm seeing this gift bag, which we'll get to it later. Let's focus on the hair. So the hair that I received is a water coily hair extension in 4A4B texture. I received 2 bundles of this in 18 inches, and oh my god, the hair feels really soft to touch, and I'm really excited. So for the gift bag, I have received a hair bonnet. I love the color, and I also got this hairbrush, which is customized, and you can see your reflection through it. Now that we're done unboxing, let's get straight into business. So I am starting with the first bundle, and I'm bringing it close so you guys can see that this is double wefted extension, which means that the 2 bundles that I received is going to be more than enough for this hairstyle. I'm going to show you in this video. Now this is where the real work starts. I'm not the best when it comes to sewing in extensions to my real hair, but this is what I do differently, you know, to help me with the sewing. I like to use a different color of thread when I start doing the sewing, especially for the back, because it just helps me see what I'm doing. And also when I'm taking down this hair, I'll be able to differentiate between my hair, the extension, and the thread. So you guys can try to pay attention to how I'm doing the sewing so you can learn how to do your own sewing by yourself. Yeah, I'm sure you can do it. Also notice with the sewing, when I get to the end, I just flip the hair and I continue with the sewing, because this is a coily hair and we don't have to worry about a flat install. So yeah, this is what we're going to keep doing until we get to the top part of the hair, and I'll show you how to get through it. You guys remember earlier I said that this extension comes double wefted. This is the proof that you need, because we've just exhausted the first bundle that we had in the package. And I mean, this is looking full already. We haven't even touched the second bundle, but we are going to get into it to finish up the top part of the hair. And need I mention, one bundle weighs 150 grams. Now I know I said I use a different color of thread for my sewings, but when we get to the top, please, we don't want to see that thread. Switch it to black, honey. And talking about colors, do you know that you can color this hair or bleach the hair if you wanted to? Yeah, I'm telling you right now that you can. But for now, let's finish up the sewing. We are so close. We are nearly done. Phew, for that top part, you guys, you have to be careful when doing the sewing, because you don't want to prick yourself with needles. It's going to hurt so much. So this is the hair after the sewing. I've only exhausted one bundle and just a little part of the second bundle, so I have more of the second bundle left. So now it's time for us to blend my natural hair to this extension, and let's see how it's going to hold up with my fussy hair. Personally, I wanted a center pattern for this hairstyle. You can do whatever style you want. So after taking out my cornrows, I had to get that straight center pattern. I mean, I love my patterns to be crisp and clear, so don't be scared to go in with your gel to make sure you get a clean pattern. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. In fact, this is my favorite part of this whole process. This is where we get to blend my hair and do a little bit of maintenance on this extension so that you guys can see the nature of his curls. And if any of you is wondering, oh, what's that spray? It's just water. It's just water in a bottle. There's no mixture in it. So I'm spraying both my natural hair and the extension together, and I'm using my hands to brush through it. And of course, you're going to have to do that gently until you're done with the full hair. After you've done a great job spraying the hair with water, don't forget to go with your detangling brush to detangle this hair. It makes it really easy brushing it through because the hair is really soft. It doesn't even feel like you're doing a hard job. This first step we're doing is very important because it helps us see the true length of this hair and also helps the curls to start to pop. And I'm sure we all know this, we are supposed to trim this hair, right? And I wanted that layered look because if you notice how short my natural hair is, I wanted a blend between my natural hair and this hair that you guys are not really going to notice so much difference. So I went ahead to do a layered cut in front and then trim the rest of the hair. And if you're also wondering why I'm putting scissors on the top part of this hair, I just wanted it to look really full. I am all in for a full hair, so I wanted that full look, so I just had to do a little bit of cut on the top. And bear in mind, we're not done with the maintenance yet. I just wanted to do the trim first to see how it looks before we go in with the other products that I need to define the colors of this hair. So this definition you're seeing now is as a result of the water we sprayed earlier, but now we are going to use other products, and I'm using this Coily from Jackie's to help define the colors, and of course I cannot wait to see it. And did you guys even notice that with just the water my hair blended well with this extension? The only thing you might notice slightly is the color difference. Apart from that, this looks really cool. And with that, I want to tell you that you do not need to use heat on your hair to blend the hair together. So back to our Coily. I'm not just applying the product on the extension, I'm also applying the product on my natural hair. Is it just me, or are you guys starting to notice these colors? Like, I'm not even done, but you guys can see how beautiful the colors are starting to come out. And yeah, I was doing that twirl thing with my natural hair to try to replicate the curls of this extension, and it wasn't so bad. I mean, it didn't look so bad. And of course, you have to brush out the hair, and you can see how juicy the curls are looking already after using the Coily. And there's just one thing that I love so much about this hair is the fact that it is tangle free and has just minimal shedding with proper care. But for this process, you just keep brushing out the hair, and after you're done with that, go ahead to make sure your natural hair is blended properly with the extension. And you guys, I was out there having everyone believe that this is my natural hair. Even my own brother couldn't believe when I told him that there was an extension in this hair. This hair is so good and it feels like luxury. And another good thing with the extension is that with proper maintenance, it can last you for the whole year. You can reuse it whenever you want. And it's very easy to style the hair and the curls hold up really well. Like, I am so happy with this hair that I got from Curlsqueen. And if you're looking to buy this same extension for yourself, just check the description because I'll be leaving a code for you to save some dollars off. And of course, the link will be in the description. I'll see you all later. Bye.